This store operates on a dropshipping model and sells a very nice, affordable product, managing to achieve very high profits from it. Last month, it made over $16,000 from this product without spending $1 on advertising. All they do is content creation. They have a TikTok account with the store link in the bio, and then post daily content about this product. They sell this product for around $30, while the product cost is less than $4, achieving a large profit margin and managing over 700 orders last month with a very simple and easy product. You too can start and do the same easily. Subscribe to the channel and like the video as I post profitable products daily and teach you how to get started in dropshipping. You'll find a link to register with Shopify in the video description. Click on it and it will give you a 3-day free trial to help you set up the online store. Your first month on Shopify will be only $1 instead of $39, which is a great offer. Start by entering your email, then register an account. We can skip this step, and here, you will start by selecting the country you will sell in, then click Next and register with your email and password. The second step is finding a supplier to import products to the store, process orders, and ship them to customers easily. This supplier is Zendrop. Zendrop has millions of products and also provides auto-fulfillment, fast shipping, and professional support. We'll install the app on the store, and after installing Zendrop, we'll click on Apps and then select Zendrop. Zendrop has many profitable products to work with, and it has various categories to start with. Here we'll search for the product name, which is the product the person is selling. You'll find all product details here, and if you scroll down you'll find the variations such as available colors and sizes for the product. Here is the product cost, here is the shipping cost, which varies from country to country. You can select the country to ship to from this section. Here is the total product cost, and we add our profits to sell at the final price, along with the average shipping time. To add this product to the store, click on Add to My Products, then go back and add other products to the store in the same way. After that, click on My Products and you'll find the product here. Click on Review and Publish, where you can edit everything before publishing the product on the store. Name, product description, variations, and here you can set the selling price. For instance, I might sell this product for $30 and here the net profit per unit sold will appear. Here you can choose the images to publish on the online store. Then click on Publish to My Store, then confirm, and the product is published on the store. If you go back here and click on Products, you'll find the product there, and now you can open the product and edit everything from this section. To see how the product looks on the store, click Preview, and this is how the product page looks, though it's not a professional page. To build a professional online store and product page, I've left a full video tutorial on creating a professional store in the video description. But now, let me quickly order this product and perform a test to see if, when a customer orders the product from the store, it gets sent to Zendrop, allowing me to ship it to them. After ordering the product, the order will appear here in the Orders section on Shopify, and if I go to Zendrop and refresh, I'll find the order on Zendrop. Here are the order details and the requested product, and here is the total cost, which includes the product cost and the shipping cost. The customer should have paid you for the order through the payment gateway you connected to Shopify, whether it is Stripe, PayPal, or Shopify's available payment gateways. Thus, the order amount entered your account, and now you need to pay the order cost to Zendrop so they can start shipping it to the customer. Click on Fulfill Order and the cost will appear. However, initially you'll need to add balance from here, either via bank card or PayPal. Zendrop provides you with 25 orders to fulfill under the free plan. And if you want unlimited fulfillment, click on Upgrade and choose a paid plan. Each paid plan offers auto-fulfillment, so you don't have to do this manually. It happens automatically, saving you time and effort. The features of each plan vary by price, but I recommend starting with the free plan's 25 orders, and if you make profits, you can subscribe to a paid plan. Next, we come to the most important step: marketing. You'll create accounts on TikTok and Instagram, put the store link in the bio, and start creating daily content about this product. As you can see, this person has videos with hundreds of thousands of views, which led to substantial profits. You'll find many videos on the channel featuring very profitable products. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and stay tuned for daily tutorials on dropshipping. Goodbye.